Hello friends, welcome to my gardening channel Growing Container. So I did some online succulent shopping, so I thought I will share with you. So here is the unboxing. I just removed the tape, everything else is same. Okay, so they add some soft material to protect it from here. You can see they usually add this material, soft waste material, to protect the succulent. They work very well because they are very soft. So we have lots of rain from last 2 days, so humidity increases in our environment. Here you can see this is the waste material, and now they add some paper. So this succulent won't get any dust, I think so, that's why. So this is the first succulent. Okay, I think this one is baby finger. You can see it is beautiful. So this one is baby finger. Let's put it here. I am putting our succulents here. I will show you all the succulent in the end. So let's move the second one. This one is also, I think so, baby finger. You can see this one is also baby finger. So it is beautiful. I ordered another baby finger a few months ago and it is growing very well. So these are some new one. Now let's see what else. This one is panda plant. It is beautiful. This is the first one, and this is the, I think, the second panda plant. Here is the second one. I think these are the cuttings, they are growing roots. Okay, so this is the another succulent. We called it bruise tail. It is very beautiful but not usually easily available. So this one is the bruise tail cutting. Here is another plant. Here is another panda plant. This one is rooted well. Here is another panda plant. And I think so is some other one. Is another panda plant. This one is also rooted. I think it is also a panda plant. This one is also rooted. I love panda plant. I think in English we call it Calancho tomentosa type name. Okay, here's another panda plant. This one is also beautiful. They use different soil for panda plant. I think this one is bruise tail. Yes, this one is another bruise tail. Cutting. Here's another bruise tail. I love this one. I think so order 6. So 3 are already out. So I think this one is another bruise tail. Yeah, it is very slow growing succulent but look very beautiful. So 4 of them are out. This one is, I think so, panda. Yes, this one is panda plant. Here's another panda plant. This one is rose tail. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth plant, and I think so this one is also rose tail. Here's another one. So in order 6 rose tail, they are already out. I think this one is another one. This one is well rooted and beautiful. There is another panda plant. I love this. There is another panda plant. This one is smaller one. There is another panda plant. I love these. They are beautiful. They will grow roots. There is no issue. Okay, here's another bruise tail. So they added more. Okay, so now these are the premium type things. Now some other one. These are the gift. I think it's Calancho variety. I did not remember the name. So these are the gifts. Here's another one. I already have these, but I love the gift. They are beautiful. So now I have more. Previously I did not have that much. So these are the, I do not remember their name, but I know the name. I love this plant. They are beautiful. They grow very big. This is another Calancho variety, and it grows very well in our climate. We have hot weather, and this variety grows very well. If they add these in paper, then that would be great, because you can see it is getting all the soft material, but it's okay. I will clean them. Here's another one. So I will remove them. Take some time, but I will remove them. They are not very expensive, but they look beautiful. I love them. Here's the second plant. This one is the third one. They are beautiful. So I will wash their leaves and the material. Here's another plant. So they will look beautiful. So here is another plant. I will remove them later. I ordered 10 of these. Here's another one. Okay, here's another one. They wash the roots because they also have rainy weather and the roots were not drying out. So to dry out quickly, they wash the roots. This is the leaf of rose tail. I will propagate them. So I will remove this material later. For now, I am cleaning them like this. So Here's another one. And here's another one. Here's the last one. They look beautiful. Right now they are in stress. Okay, so just I am removing this material, making sure there are not any bruise tail leaves, because I love bruise tail and I want to propagate it. These are the plants of Pseudomedolphy. They are very hardy, succulent and suitable for hot weather, so that's why I purchased so many. So let's move one by one. So this one is the first one. Here is the second one. I love this sedum variety. This one is the third one. This one is the fourth one. Fifth. Sixth. Seventh. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30 and 31. So there are 31 of Pseudomedolphy. So you can see these are the one. So total 31. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. I can't lose the count, but there are 31. Okay, this one is the gift, and these are another variety. This is, let me do it with one hand. These are very hardy succulent. Okay, so this is the, I think this one is, I'm not so sure, this one some other variety. I think I ordered something else. Okay, let's see what's coming. These are very hard circulars. I ordered near about I think 3 to 4 months ago. I think 3 months ago. This variety is, they are very big now. The one that I ordered before, I will show you. So this one is another one. So just remove this material, make sure there is no leaves inside. Okay, here's another one. I don't know, I ordered this variety or something else, but maybe I think so. It is like that, but it's okay. So here's another plant, and it has some, wait, let me move it. Okay, so here's another plant. Okay, here's another plant. She always gives very beautiful plants. I will share the contact number in the description. If you want to order, you can order. These succulents is another one. Look how beautiful they are. And here's another one. Okay, here's some, I think so, leaves. These are the Cedarmidolphy leaf, and these are also some other leaves. And this one is, I think so, final one. No, this one is not final. Here's another one. Here's then another one. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So I added 10. Okay, so this is the end. There is nothing else. So these are the succulents that I ordered. So if you want to order, you can place order. These are some premium varieties. These are also good one. This is the normal Cedarmidolphy variety, and this one I remember, I forgot the name. It is very famous, so I will share in the description to see. I think I need to do some cutting from this one. Okay, let me show you the one that I purchased before and how beautiful they are growing. So these are the one that I purchased before. Let me show you how big they are. Now look at this. I purchased these from the same lady. Here's another one. So these are the succulents that I purchased from her, and they are beautiful. This is the one that they gifted. This is the one. Yeah. So these are the succulents. So this is the shopping. If you like the video, please like, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.